Okay guys, good morning. We are from group 2. Today we will presentation our article about analyzing research article. I'm Winda as a moderator and this is Egi Hilmi Ramdhani and Anggi Gusti Dewi. Okay, let's start it. Background or introduction of the study. What has previous research found? It has been reported that the local anesthetic in the injection is the most careful part of a dental visit. Local anesthesia is associated with high level for anxiety, which highlights the important role of behavior management when treating children. Conventional modalities of behavior guidance of pediatric dental patients include simple methods such as tell, show, and do, positive reinforcement, voice control, and distraction. Behavior guidance modalities also include more advanced techniques such as protective stabilization, treatment under conscious sedation, or general anesthesia. And next, why did research carry out? Why is this research important or relevant? Our study aimed to evaluate the effect of virtual reality distraction or anxiety and pain during buccal infiltration anesthesia in pediatric patients. We hypothesized that virtual reality distraction will decrease anxiety and pain during buccal infiltration anesthesia in pediatric patients. The next, what are the research questions in the study? The purpose of the study was to evaluate the effect of virtual reality distraction on anxiety and pain during buccal infiltration anesthesia in pediatric patients. The next, methods or methodology of the study. Who were the participants? Mention the number of population and sample in the study. Healthy, cooperative, 6 to 12 years old, children recurring buccal infiltration anesthesia were randomly assigned to a test or control group. Where and when did the research conduct the study? This parallel randomized control trial was conducted in the Pediatric Dentistry Department of King Abdulaziz University Faculty of Dentistry between March and July 2000 and lanjut. What were the design or type, technique, procedure, and instrument used in the study? Design or type, quantitative, technique, different distraction techniques, procedure to assess anxiety in both group, heart rate was recorded using a pulse oximeter of 5 time points. Number 1, once the subject sits on the dental care at baseline. Number 2, when video is on. Number 3, and topical anesthesia application. Number 4, during needle insertion. Number 5, after the administration of local anesthesia. The face, leg activity, cry, consolability, behavioral, pain assessment scale, and the Wong-Bacall face pain rating scale were used assess pain. And the next, Anggi.
Okay. How did the research collect the data? By requesting permission for the research protocol and having been approved by Faculty of Dentistry Research Ethics Committee at King Abdulaziz University. How did the research analysis the data? In the test group, local anesthesia was administered while the subject were watching a cartoon video using virtual reality goggles. Subject in the control group watched a cartoon video a screen during the administration of local anesthesia to access anxiety in both groups. Heart was recorded using a pulse oximeter. Next, results of the study. What did the research find? Are there any surprising or unexpected results? In summary, the research found that the use of VR had some influence on heart during specific point in the procedure. However, it did not lead to significant difference in pain and anxiety level as measured by Devlak and Wong-Boker PACE scales. The results indicate that while VR may have some effect, it might not be a substantial game changer in this specific context. There don't appear to be any particularly surprising or unexpected result not in the provided text. The findings are generally consistent with the idea that VR can influence physiological response, or in this case, heart rate, but its impact on pain and anxiety levels was not pronounced. Discussion of the study. Did the findings answer the question? Explain the finding based on the results of the study, supported by theoretical framework on previous research. Yes, the findings in the journal answer the research question. The results showed that the gender and age of the subject had a greater influence on the level of pain during in the infiltration anesthesia procedure than the type of distraction used, such as virtual reality. Where the previous study different with current study, we did not find the answer. Next, conclusion of the study. What were the most important findings? Female subject and the young age group were more likely to report higher pain scores during local anesthesia administration, regardless of the type of distraction used. Next. What are the practical implications of the study for future research? Are there any potential application or future research direction? The studies suggest several practical implications and potential future research direction. Number one, similar efficacy of virtual reality and screen distraction. Number two, demographic factor on and pain reporting. Number three, need for future further research for long-term effect and patient experience. Number 5, special population and clinic setting. Integration into clinical practice. Overall, the study suggests that virtual reality distortion holds promise as a technique for managing anxiety and pain in pediatric dental procedure. Further research can refine and expand our understanding of its application, improve patient experience, outcomes is then. Next. Okay, next. Egi Ilmira.
What are the limitations of the study? The study on the utilization of virtual reality Google in pediatric dental procedures has several limitations. Number one, limit generalizability. Number two, exclusion of epileptic patient. Number three, small sample size. Number four, age range. Number five, single center study. Number six, duration of exposure. Number seven, device familiar. Number eight, type of dental provider. Number nine, sole focus on heart rate and pain. Number 10, short-term observation. In conclusion, will the study provides valuable insight? It's important to acknowledge this limitation, and future research should aim to address the aspect, gain a more comprehensive understanding of the potential benefits and application of virtual reality in pediatric dentistry. Did you encounter any terminology or concept that were unclear? No, terminology and concept in the provided text were clear, the understandable, passion and reference. Did the author cite relevant and up-to-date resources? Yes, here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys for our attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.